In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser and search up Minecraft. Now click this first link here, minecraft.net. Press Games, and then press Minecraft. If you scroll down, you can press here, Buy Now. I'm just going to buy the normal edition here. Now that you've purchased Minecraft, just press Download for Mac. And it will start downloading in the top right corner. Click on this file. And then drag Minecraft into your applications. Now you can double tap on the Minecraft logo. Press Open. Once Minecraft is loaded, you'll be greeted with this screen here. Press play. Create a username. And Minecraft will start downloading in the bottom of this window. Once that download's finished, Minecraft will pop up. You can press continue. And just like that, you've downloaded Minecraft.